Hello guys, what's up? My name is Danny. This is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, I just wanted to go over the differences in the 1/2 inch Ryobi drill driver versus the 3/8 inch. So they make two. The 3/8 is a little bit lower of a price point, and a lot of the times with Ryobi especially, people are looking at price point, and then they have a little bit of a bump up, which is a 1/2 inch. And it's not too much more, but it is a little bit more money, but has quite a bit of a jump in terms of speed, and it's a lot stronger as well. So this 1/2 inch is actually 1750 RPMs, whereas the 3/8 inch is 600 RPMs. This guy is a 1-speed, this guy is a 2-speed. So you can hear it right away if you run the two next to each other. So here's the 1/2 inch bigger one. And then here is the 3/8 inch. Guys, thanks so much for watching. If you want to win this set, don't forget to subscribe. We will be giving this away to a subscriber at the end of February 2023. Being as small and new of a channel as we are, you probably have a pretty good chance of winning it if you subscribe. So please don't forget to subscribe. This is for a 18-volt brushless drill driver with a 2.0 battery, a bag, and a charger. Thanks again, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. And that's it, guys. Just a slower, steadier drill. Now, if you're using it around the house for very light projects and you don't want a lot of weight, and that's a big deal, this may be the right drill for you. But I just wanted to give you some food for thought. If you're thinking about spending a few more bucks, keep in mind it's going to be literally almost 3 times as powerful, much more capable than the 3/8 one. However, this guy is going to be lighter, so just so that you can find the best use between the two, that's our rundown on those. Thanks so much, you guys, for watching. Please don't forget to check out the rest of our videos. Tons and tons of tool stuff. If you have any ideas for future videos, please let us know that as well. Oh, by the way, we're giving away this entire M18 kit to anybody who subscribes. If you haven't done that, please do so, and we'll see you in our next video. Thanks, guys.